Hello, Estes Park 7th graders. Here is just a quick tutorial in case you were having trouble with the range, mean, median, or mode. And this is from math handout number 1. So let's just go through this real quick. Okay, so I'm going to do the top 4, which all center around these test scores. I made up these fictitious test scores. Okay, first of all, what helps immensely, I promise, is anytime you're given these kind of problems, put all the numbers in order from lowest to highest first. So I'm gonna go, okay, there's 61, there's a 72, another 72, 77, 85. Notice I'm crossing them off as I write them down. 88, 98. Okay, by crossing them off, that keeps me from accidentally repeating one or skipping one. And I'm going to double check, because up here I had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I should have 7 down here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right, cool. So that's going to help me with all 4 of these problems. All right, so what is the range? Well, we said range is the difference between the highest number and the lowest number. So real easy, because I already put them in order. So I'm going to take the highest number, which is the 98, subtract the lowest number, which is 61, 98 minus 61. 8 minus 1 is 7, 9 minus 6 is 3, 37. Bingo, there we go. All right, we're already done with that one. Okay, number 2, mean or average. What did we say that was? Oh, that's the one where you add up all the measurements and just divide by the number of measurements. Okay, simple enough. I might want to get out Mr. Calculator if you're that kind of a person, if you prefer. So, whoopsies, lost. All right. Okay, so add them up and divide by the number of measurements we had. So 61 plus 72 plus 72 plus 77 plus 85 plus 88 plus 98. Okay, that comes up to 553, but then we have to divide by the total number of measurements we had, or in this case, test scores. Well, what do we have again? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I'm going to hit divide by 7. The average was, or the mean was 79. And this is something, it has to, your average, this is an easy way to tell if you made a math mistake. Your average has to be between your highest and lowest number. You couldn't have an average like out here of 103, or you couldn't have one of 58. It has to be somewhere in the middle. So if it's not between your highest and lowest, you made a math mistake, which happens. Then median, the last 2 I think are super easy actually. Median, I need to find the middle one. I'm just going to start at the ends and take one off this side, one off that side. So here, taking one off this side, one off that side. One off this side, one off that side, one off this side, one off that side. Ah, looky there. We have a median of 77. Okay, and in mode, you just look at and see, well, which one do I have one that is listed more than the others? Another reason why we put them in order. That way, oh, looky right there. I've got 2 72s. And I don't see any others, so 72 is my mode. Okay, there you go. That gets you going. So if you have any questions, email me. See you later.